back to my channel. I'm so glad to see you all. It's been so long. Okay, I am so glad. Today I have a wonderful limited edition video for you all. I'm going to share a few tips and tricks that I have learned throughout my fitness journey that will help you to get to any fitness goal that you desire. My name is Zariafit. In case you don't know me, I am a NASM certified personal trainer. I help women and men and even children get to their goals, no matter their shapes, their faces, or their sizes. I believe that the mind can be improved just as much as the body, if not more, from the fitness that you are enduring every single day in your life. Please go ahead and subscribe to my fitness channel so that you never miss any fitness motivational content, vlogs, tips, and just different gems that will help you along your way in your fitness journey. Being said, let's get straight into this video. To keep in mind during your fitness journey, rule number one, tip number one for today is definitely going to be, remember that your journey is unique. It is uniquely crafted for you, meaning what works for someone else may not work for you. Learn how to figure out what works for you by trying new things and challenging your body in new ways. That's not what it's about. It's about doing things that works best for you and your body type. If you don't know your body type and all of that other technical stuff, it's really just important to try new things out so that you know what will work best for your fitness routine. You may have to do certain workout splits that may be adjusted to your goals and incorporate certain levels of intensity as far as cardio and certain exercises that may be tailored to what you are trying to accomplish within yourself. So different things require different people, require different approaches, all right? Never ever forget that your journey is specifically divined and designed for you. Divinely designed for you. There's always something out here that works better for you that may not work for someone else. Do the things that you hate sometimes because those are the things that bring the most results. However, do it only because it works for you. Tip number two is don't compare yourself to anyone. Don't ever compare yourself to anyone's fitness journey. No matter who you're following on Instagram or who you're looking at on YouTube, even me, don't ever compare your fitness journey to anyone else's. Your fitness journey is completely yours for a reason. You are not supposed to look like anyone else. You are not supposed to think that you're supposed to look like someone else. And just because you may follow a certain influencer who may have a body type that you may, desire, doesn't mean that that's what your body's going to look like. So learn how to not compare yourself to others because you're looking at somebody's chapter 95 and you just started with chapter 1. So don't be discouraged because you're allowing yourself to allow that envy to kind of come in. I know it's hard when you're trying to get to your goals not to compare yourself to others, but it's very important that you just understand that your journey is your journey and it is unique. Everything about you is unique and it doesn't need to be questioned. Which goes into rule number 3, tip number 3. Please take your time. Allow yourself to grow. Allow yourself to lose the fat that you need. Allow yourself to lose the weight that you need, but allow yourself to grow while you're doing it. Learn how to be patient within yourself because you learn so much throughout your fitness journey. You learn what a true investment is of your own self. If you invest yourself, your time, your dedication, and your energy into losing weight, you will lose weight. You will. You just have to keep going and don't stop until you do. Yeah, that is the best advice I can give you, which is number 4. Tip number 4. Don't stop. Keep going. Don't quit on yourself. Do not quit on yourself. This is an investment. It takes time to grow. You're going to see it come to light, but you have to believe in you. What you think that you need, you actually don't need. We be thinking we need somebody to hold us accountable, but let me tell you something from experience. The person that will hold you the most accountable is the person that you see every day in the mirror. If you can't hold yourself accountable, get a personal trainer until you get to a point where you can hold yourself accountable to do certain things as far as losing weight, as far as going to the gym, as far as eating correctly. Get you a certified nutritionist. Whatever it is that you need, get it so that you can get to a point where you can do it by yourself. You have to experience things in order to do them by yourself. So I'm not saying start off with just you. I'm saying if you want to get a personal trainer, figure it out. But don't rely on that personal trainer to bring you results. Rely on yourself to bring you results. Number 5, stop blaming other people for the things that you do. Stop blaming other people for the habits that you have that are not healthy for you. Learn how to take accountability. Take accountability for your entire fitness journey and you will grow. Once you hold yourself accountable, nobody else will have to do it for you. That is my biggest tip for you. Hold yourself accountable. Every single time. Even if it is just the littlest thing like, oh, I'm going to wake up in the morning, I'm going to take a walk. Take that walk. I don't care if it's only 5 minutes. Take that walk. Hold yourself accountable. Believe in yourself. And that is the bonus tip of the day. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself, because you can do this. You're going to be so discouraged at times. You're going to have so many times throughout your journey where you're just like, you know what? It's taking too long. I'm getting tired of it. I'm just going to go get surgery. Don't get surgery, okay? But if you want to go get surgery, do that, because everything that you have tried has not worked. And I mean, really, I want blood, sweat, and tears before you say, I'm gonna go get surgery. I don't want you to get surgery. I'm gonna tell you that. A lot of fitness influencers, they tell you, yeah, if you wanna get surgery, go ahead and do that. Know what you're getting yourself into when you get surgery, because even after you get that BBL, they still gonna tell you need to work out. Nobody can stitch you up and fix what's going on the inside. You're still gonna have those insecurities. Learn how to just love yourself how you are. Embrace who you are. Be patient with your journey. Support yourself more than anybody else. Stop looking for other people to support you and support yourself. You are your own superhero. You are your biggest superhero. You will save yourself every time. Every time. And keep your faith strong. Allow that higher power to move inside of you. And move with faith throughout your whole journey. Because there's nothing that you can't do. There is nothing you can accomplish. Walk with God. Stop trying to walk alone. Sometimes you just need, you know what I'm saying? You just need that extra push. And I hope you guys enjoyed my sharing fitness tips video, okay? I tried to make it simple. I tried to make it, you know, but I'm just me. I can't be anybody else but me. So I hope you enjoyed my personality creeping in as much as they like to, because I can't hold back anymore. This is just who I am. And I hope you guys continue to watch my videos and just share with others, and continue to be the love and the light that you want to receive and share into this world. That being said, you guys have a wonderful, great, courageous day. Love you guys. Bye-bye.